Put your listening ears on and let's see who's ready. Sit in nicely. That's it. Once.
There's enough. I love this book. We remember this.
Do you know what the name of the book is?
Broken nose. There's a board on my head.
What's your name? Hi, Scarlett. That's the name of this book.
Angelina,
There
go.
are
Matthew,
birds.
stop.
Crisscross applesauce.
Over there.
You want me to start?
You can start.
Okay. There is a bird on your head
A bird on your head.
by Mo Willems.
This one's funny. Yeah.
Okay, let's listen.
What? I like a bird.
Nicholas.
There is a bird on your head. Piggy! Is something on my head?
A duck.
Yes.
It's a bird.
There was a bird on your head. There was a bird on my head. Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No.
That's funny.
Now there are two birds on your head. What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love. The birds on my head are in love. They are lovebirds. Lovebirds.
Happy birthday, Nat.
How do you know they are lovebirds? They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head. Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I am afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head?
Egg, they drop eggs on it. Yes.
1, 2,
Three.
3. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head.
Oh,
Then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? They have hatched.
Baby birds.
Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds in a nest.
Three?
I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head.
Excuse me, there's 4 birds now.
Where do you want them?
To their nest.
Somewhere else! Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask
I'm
them.
just scared them away.
Ask them.
Scared them away.
Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me. Birds, will you please go somewhere else?
They can't talk.
No problem.
They can't talk.
It worked. Bye.
Bye.
Say bye to the birds.
Bye. Ow. Now they're going on.
Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Now where did the birds go? On whose head? Oh, wow.
That was great.
The end.
Can we read that again?
No, she
That was the
cannot.
funniest story.
Can we say thank you?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That was are funny.
Now it's